What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go over with you about the trade recap that I took today and how I lost my personal daily loss today, and that's on all of my four express funded accounts. So today we had some kind of light news, very light news. This is 9:40, which is around 10:40 New York time. My time is 9:40. I came into the day, I was leaning towards bullish. I was leaning towards bullish because we still had equal highs above. We were accumulating and distributing down. I thought this was like manipulation because this was overnight session, London session, and then we came and started um, going up pre-market, and then this is where market open was 8:30 my time, and then we started chopping up and down, and then overall it leaned toward bearish, but I came into the day, I was bullish. Why I was bullish, I just explained it. What was the trade that I took? Trade that I took was pretty easy, but I will explain it. And it's the mistake that it's a mistake that I got in, and I got trapped in today, and it's the same mistake that I avoided yesterday, and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So starting off the day, I was bullish, and I did see this bearish, amazing 30 seconds setup, and I thought to myself that this was an amazing setup right here, right before market open. I mean, we were delivering off of this bearish fair value gap. We had a bullish fair value gap here that got inversed, and I was honestly looking to take a short right here, and I was wanting to target equal lows right here. This equal lows right here. See how those equal lows perfectly to the tick, and we took it out instantly as soon as market opened on this green candle, and then we followed through. This was an amazing setup. Why did I not take it? Because it was pre-market, and I did not want to take it because it was right very close. It was like 5 minutes before market open, and I did not want to take it because I didn't want to get trapped. And I thought to myself, we're gonna keep maybe like, this was clear accumulation, manipulation, distribution down, but I did not believe it. It also had an amazing SMT right here between this high and this high, where Nasdaq did take this high, but S&P did not. S&P was like right there. So it was an amazing setup. Now I like saying that hindsight. But anyway, that was the first to trade idea that I saw, but I failed to take it because I was a little bit extra cautious today. And the second setup that I saw today was this 3 minutes FEG got inversed, and we went to the buy side liquidity. Anyway, that was very fast, and it happened very fast. One thing of that happened today, guys, as soon as market opened, the price was trading up and down very fast. I mean, look at this. Like, look, I want to show you guys. So market open was like right here, right? So right before market open, we dumped 70 points or almost 80 points, right? And as soon as market opened, we pumped 100 points. So that was like very volatile open to me, and we were like moving very fast, and I kind of liked it and did not like it at the same time. I was liking it because it was hitting my target pretty quickly, but I wasn't in the trades because it would happen so fast and I would miss it. And by the time I realized it and recognized it, it would be at like the middle of the move, and I did not want to FOMO in. Now, this is the trade idea that I took. We swept sell side liquidity, right? I believe we also had an SMT. No, we did not have any SMT. We swept sell side liquidity, and with big momentum candles, we inversed this bearish fair value gap and turning it into IFG, and I entered right after we inversed it. And this was my break even line that we never hit. Um, and yeah, that was going to be my trade. I I failed and it just lost. Why did it lose? Because the 2 minute, it's not always that good. Also, the trade setup was not the best, to be honest. And this is, to me, this is very, very similar to the yesterday's trade that I made a video on. And and I said that I did not take it because the stop loss was huge. Now which was this video right here. Now I saw the same setup and I took it and made like the same mistake. The mistake was I avoided the mistake yesterday, and I came today and I took that same mistake, and it costed me to my personal daily loss to being hit. I'll show you really quick the setup that I was talking about, the 2 minute setup that I was talking about, which is, I believe, hold on. So it was this one right here. This was the 2 minute setup that I did not take yesterday because of the same exact reason, because the stop loss was huge. So it was like this trade, this was the same trade, and to me it looks exactly the same. It just, except one worked and the other one did not work. Why? Because the yesterday's video I was explaining, when we do an IFG, when we create an IFG, I don't know if we're gonna go down to tap it at the beginning of it or 50% of it or the end of it and fill it all and react from it and go up. So this one is, my stop loss gotta be protected at $40, $43 stop loss, and it barely worked to this fair value gap, which is giving you $45, which is basically 1-to-1. This is the same setup that got presented today, and I took it because yesterday I saw that it worked. I Now I know, well, I knew this before I took this loss. I knew that these setups don't really work that often, and today is a prime example that yesterday worked and today it failed to do so. Also, another thing that I did not pay attention while I was trading is that we had a void right here that was respected. So whenever you have a void in between the fair value gap, you have to include it inside of the fair value gap, just in case if we close above that IFG and still respected that void. So this hindsight, I should not have taken this. Why? Because we were respecting that void. So that was a devastating loss to me and a dumb way to lose, and end up the week kind of red because I avoided most of the days this week and did not trade, and I came Friday to take the loss. So anyway, um we're here in the market to learn, and hopefully I'll make the loss next week, and hopefully the market treats me well next week. um and we'll see what happened when next week comes. Maybe it's gonna be better than this week. One thing with trading and with the specific strategy that I'm trading with is you're gonna find a million IFGs and million inversion fair value gaps out in the market, and it will be presented during the day, every single day, about 1,000 to a million setups. But the best setups is the one that you would easily point out and be obvious and be right. It just gotta hold a lot more values and Like you have to have more than one confluence into before entering the trade. So here, why did it lose? Because we were like still in this kind of zone, chopping up and down, and we needed to break one of the direction before we go to the other one. So we broke to the downside. So now I should be looking for long. Where should be my long? Be like out here, away from this consolidation area. And we came here, I can see that maybe this was a manipulation leg down here, and then we're starting to push up. Even if the long position was not it, we still came to this kind of consolidation area, tapped it again, and this IFG to the to the upside. Um, this fair value gap, sorry, this fair value gap, the bullish, we inversed it. That should be a good short position. But anyway, it is what it is. Trading is not always winning. You gotta handle the loss, and you gotta take the loss like a champ, so it does not affect you and get into your psychology and emotions. Hopefully next week is better for all of us. That'll be it for today's video, guys. Just a quick reminder that I will be making a video on announcing the winner for my giveaway this weekend. So if you are not participated in it, and you want to be a part of this giveaway, make sure to go watch this video and participate in it. It's free to participate. And that will be it. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.